Today we are going to be looking at the subtraction of like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominators. Like fractions have the same denominators. Take, for example, 1 over 3 and 2 over 3. They have the same denominators, then we can say they are like fractions. 3 over 5 and 1 over 5. They have the same denominator, therefore they are like fractions. How do we subtract like fractions? The first step is to subtract the numerators. Subtract the numerators and then write the result of step 1 over the same denominator. We're going to be looking at several examples right here that would help you to understand what we are explaining right here. First example is going to be 3 over 7 minus 1 over 7. If you look at this, you have common denominators, right? 7 are the common denominator. So in this case, what you want to do is to subtract the numerators, 3 and 1. So that will be 3 minus 1. And then bring the denominator right here because that is the same denominator. So 3 minus 1 is 2 over 7. So that's why the step 1 says subtract the numerators, which we have done that right here. Then to write the result of step 1, which is 2, over the same denominator. So the answer is 2 over 7. Let's look at another example. 4 over 9 minus 2 over 9. How do we solve this? The numerators are 4 and 2, so that will be 4 minus 2, and the same denominator is 9. So my answer is going to be 4 minus 2 is 2 over 9. Okay? Number 3, 2 over 11 minus 1 over 11. These also have the same denominator. So the first step, subtract the numerator. 2 minus 1. Result is going to be over the same denominator, which is 11. So 2 minus 1 is 1 over 11. Very good. So this fourth example, I will encourage you to go ahead to pause the video to see if you understand the concepts. Try to solve this problem and see if you understand the concept. All right, go ahead to pause the video. All right, I believe by now you have solved the problem. Let's see if you got the answer right or not. The numerators are 4 and 3, so I will say 5 minus 3 over the same denominator, which is 17. 5 minus 3 is 2 over 17. Very good. This is pretty easy. So if there is anyone that still couldn't solve this question, Let's attempt this again just to make sure you all understand this concept. Let's look at another example. 9 over 21 minus 7 over 21. How do we solve this? The numerators are 9 and 7. So that is going to be 9 minus 7 over that same denominator, which is 21. 9 minus 7 is 2 over the same denominator, 21. That is it. Pretty easy. I believe with all these 5 examples, you've been able to understand this concept. Therefore, I will encourage you to go ahead to practice more problems on the subtraction of like fractions. All right, if you are new on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. See you in the next class.